battle's already won. So I'll keep on going strong, yeah, strong. See, I have already overcome, Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising, 'cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Papa, the things you do for me, Papa. Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all. It's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, 'cause you are the one inside. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising, 'cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Oh, yeah. One step, two step, three step, this is my victory song. One step, two step, keep on marching on, yeah. And let's go one time, yeah. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. My king is true, born in a manger. To a virgin woman, the word was given and he became man. Everywhere you went, signs and wonders that made the people wonder. What manner of man is this that can make the lame walk and the blind see? And he came, everything then changed. He gave me a new name. All the old things were passed away. With his blood he washed away. All the guilt and the shame. Now we stand and proclaim in Jesus' name. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. A crown of thorns for me, your hands with pierced for me, your body bruised for me. You died that I might be mine. No other love like this, to lay your life out of love for me. Lord, I love you so, so, so much. Now I live in victory. Your precious life you gave to me. You gave it freely, I didn't earn it, you qualified me. Now I am royalty, yeah, because you live inside of me. A new creation, you have made us just like Jesus. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same.
First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, H, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking a 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarlane, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. And when I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who had first brought me and my moms, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know, I moved from the jungles to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church, and I remember one day, I seen her going to church. She's like, you want to go to church with me? And I'm like, yeah. And I went. You know, I really went because I really wanted to be the drummer.
What's up, chat? What's up? Good morning. How you guys doing? Shout out to 8 viewers right now. How's everybody's doing? What's up, everybody? Morning, morning. Morning, morning. All right, chat. What's up? How you guys doing? You want to say hi, hello in the chat? Say hi, chat. What's up, JC? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, let's do the top down here. Um, let's start with the daily time frame. So the daily, as you can see here on price, we open up without any bottom wick. So there's no, I mean top wick, right? We open up no top wick, and we move, right? We move heavy. We move 1,500 pip and start to consolidate here. What's up, Sia? What's up, Rosie? How you doing? How you guys doing? Good morning. Good afternoon. We move down. I'd say pretty heavy, and we react, right? So we still stuck in a range here in the daily time frame. We have resistance there. We have support form right here. So yeah, we stuck in a range. The candles are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles are printing side by side. And right now, we rebroke those high, and I believe this is gonna be a top wick. I can say that this is gonna be the top wick to move down, right? So let's see here on the weekly candle because we have resistance form. Yeah, we just need to wait for the top wick probably on the daily time frame. So if this daily time frame flip bearish like this, yeah, we might see some wick fill probably minimum. So yeah, do we have news later tonight? Tuesday. Oh, we don't have any news later tonight, so it's okay. It's really pretty nice to take a trade. Tomorrow, yeah, we have news. So yeah, we got here 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame, we still in the range. Resistance form, we got a support form right here, and right now, as you can see, right, the 4 hour, I'd say pretty nice volume on the 4 hour. We have some move, we move, right? So pretty nice. The buyers is in the market right now, and we're retesting the resistance on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see if we can have a breakout here. Once you rebroke probably this high, we might see some move. I guess we might see some candles that re-breaking the highs and probably closing bullish like this, right? So, uh, let's see on the four what will happen there later on. The Arlies looks the same. We're heading to the resistance level on the Arlie. Look at this 1 hour candle, right? No top wick, but huge rejections here. Would you look at that? This rejection is pretty ugly here because we move down, right? Then reject. So yeah. 30 minutes time frame. Yep. Yeah. I guess we can read this resistance. Um Support. Yeah. How many pip we can move down? 60 pip. Yeah, but we need to wait. We need to wait, game, for here. We need to wait for the candle to close probably below. This one is good too. This one is good for selling. Let's see. Above, how many pip we can move? 70 pip. Yeah. So I guess it's a little bit choppy going up now because we are in the resistance area. There's too many resistance on the left hand side. So let's see if we can retest the lows here. We can retest some structure here. You like sells if this close bearish? How many pip we can move here? 100 pip? Yeah, let's see here. If this candle close probably like this, yeah, I'm probably gonna interesting for sale here. But if this candle move down, no, we need to wait for the range too. So right now, yeah, this is gonna be the level so far, gang. So let's see here. 9 minutes for the candle to close. All right, so make sure you drop a like here and subs. Drop a like, subs to the channel. Let's go. Gang, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Any questions? Any questions? Bring your cat? I don't have cat, bro. I have right now I have two dogs. One poodle, one husky. I don't have cats, you know. Cloud, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. He doesn't like. Anti-cat. I love cats too, but you know, I started with the dog, so yeah, I don't want to keep cats with dogs. All right, so we rebroke the 15 there, I believe. Yeah. So look at this. Rebroke the lows. Reject. Damn, Cody. It was a good idea to put sell limit at 8184. This one sell limit? No, I'm not. Right now, this kind of scenario, I'm not trading this sell limit with the we're tapping resistance. No, I need to wait for the new resistance form. Otherwise, the price can move up. That's why I'm always waiting for the candle to close. If you have sell limit here, yeah, if the strategy tells you that you need to put sell limit there, yeah, you can tell. But for me, I need to wait for the new resistance form. I know that we have we have a previous resistance there, but I don't want to take a sell limit right there to it's not part of my setup and all. I don't have any setup in that case. It's basically catching a falling knife there, right? For me, there's no setup. Um, yeah, this month for the stream, yeah, stream wise, we got trades on March 5. But this is the stream journal. This is the my journal. For the month, I took only two trades on this month. Didn't take any trade yesterday, and yeah. Yeah. No, I don't like the price action still on gold. Yesterday we just consolidations. We got some consolidations. Nothing happened. So yeah, stay away to the market. What is support setup? Support setup when the price, let's say when the price is moving down like this and we have a support here and then starting to react like this. Yeah, from here I can take a buy to retest again the high here. Once the candle probably top here, top to react, I can put a buy limit right here and move up like this. Inverted celery. I don't know what's the inverted celery. This is how my setup. I call this support, and it's the same with the resistance too. But this one, I guess it's all working on the only on NY session. Because I know volume. There's always a volume in NY session, so I always use that. London sometimes, when we see big candles, when we see a big move, I guess this only works when we see the volume like big candles. Let's say we're moving up like this, and we know that we're heading to the upside, starting to react because we have resistance on the left hand side, and then yeah, once we tap here, I'm gonna put sell stop or um, sell limit, re-break of the low or rework the current candle low. It's gonna look like this. So that's gonna be the idea, right? So yeah, pretty much it. That's gonna be a good setup too. But for me, I'm still on the observation zone on this kind of setup, because we need to work with this kind of setup in all, I guess, in all time frame. I mean, in all session. Um, Asian session, London session, New York session. See, I have a resistance play here. So look at this, right? Tapping the resistance level right there, and then back taking sell. Support look the same. Yeah. So yeah. Somehow we need to wait, somehow we need to practice more on those setup, observe how the candle will move on the certain directions, like open of the session. That's really important. That's how you become profitable into the market. Finding the edge, solution wise, learn the process. $100% win rate this year. Which one? Yeah, the journal. Yeah. How many trades I took on this year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 18 trades. I got only 18 trades. 18 trades. Yeah, the candle glows. Doji doesn't look nice, so we need to wait. I guess we need to wait. Any questions, gang? Let me know in the chat. Make sure you drop a like, subs to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you drop a like, subs to the channel. Let's go. Mhm. All right, nothing. Nothing. 30 minutes time frame, 11 minutes for the candle to close. Let's see here. to the 7 minutes for the candle to close. Any questions? If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Damn. Rejections. Yeah. Nothing here. Nothing. We're gonna wait, gang. We're gonna wait like yesterday. Oh, lit. All right, we are breaking the range. Cool. Oh, 30 minutes candle close. Didn't close above, but Yuri broke the high there. Let's see if we can move. I just wanna watch the price move here. Just wanna watch the price if we can move. We can move, you know. Move. Yeah, I guess we can pops. I guess yeah. That's the one. Ooh, that's the one. You didn't close above. Yeah, impulse good here. Oh, move, man, from the low. I guess we re-broke the low and then move up again here. That's pretty nice here. That was a nice push. I guess that's the form push too. Yeah. Yeah. Always expected this 4 hour can re-broke this high and move up. Yeah, man. So right now I'm gonna watch the price move. Gonna wait for new structure here probably. In this kind of condition, we what we need to do is we need to wait for a new structure to form. Now we have a breakout. I guess early breakout. We get if the price wanna move up, you need to retest at least, then push up even further. Yeah, March. I'd say price action wise, the same with February. But let's see what will happen now. Can we push? Push, push. Nothing, gang. Oh, yeah, breakout here now. Do 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 do. You wanna sell? I guess no. Stop's gonna be 130 pips here. Really hard. 50 minutes time frame not look good here. You have a support level right here, so probably stay away right now. Need to wait for more price actions here. Probably range 2 sells good idea here, but right now this gonna be no bottom wick too. So yeah, stay away with this. This kind of price action does not look good. It's gonna be no tradable zone for me. Below there's gonna be nice. So yeah, man. Nothing here again, chat. So be patient. You know, patience is the key here. So yeah, chat. Sorry. My college stream here. So no buenos for us yet. Price just chop around here. We cannot do anything here. Probably gonna wait for more structure NY session probably. So yeah, man, chat. Gonna see you guys again tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss and see you guys tomorrow, chat. Peace and love, everybody. W's all the way out. I'm out here.
I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive